Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so today I am unboxing my new iPhone, an iPhone SE. If you like these unboxings, please comment down below and like. Please comment you can subscribe if you're new. So guys, let's get into this unboxing. So first you need to take off this plasticky coating. Then you get the box. So this is what it looks like. Now let me take this box off. So first off, what I get is my new iPhone, the iPhone SE, with a bit of packaging on top. And then underneath, you get a plug, some earphones, I think it also comes with a microphone on it, and a USB cable to go into the plug. Now, I used to have an iPhone 5S, so I think it's about the same size. I think my iPhone SE is a tiny bit taller. It's the space grey one, if you wanted to know what the colour was called. My old ones are whitish one, but this is my new phone, an iPhone SE, the space grey. So yeah, I hope you like this unboxing, guys. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!